Hi friends, hello from Mother Nature. Believe it or not, this is actually a super simple Halloween makeup look. It's all products that you use on a regular basis to do your makeup. This, watch the video to find out what this is. This is not anything fancy. And then I have a green shirt, you could use a black shirt. Halloween does not have to be tricky. Halloween can be super simple, and I invite you to just watch and see what I do. We are going to be Mother Earth. I love doing Halloween makeup. So I already have on Silk. Silk is our primer and pore minimizer, so it helps smooth out any surfaces. So I have that on and I let it dry. I always do that every single day. So this is just gonna be a quick application because a lot of it's going to get covered up. So this is just going to be the start of my greenness. I'm actually going to be darker than this. If you didn't know, green cancels out red, but in this case I'm using this to help with my coloring. So next I'm going to do a little bit of Forest Mist Shimmer, and we'll see how much more I need. Sometimes this is really a learning lesson to see how much of things you need. So the idea behind my Halloween looks this year is once again to really give you guys some easy things to do that don't involve a ton of makeup. Oh, this might look like it's complex, but it's really not. I like to do easy looks that are duplicatable and can be done with very minimal costumage. I have to try something different on my brows, and I'm not sure it's gonna work. So let's just see. Let's just see what happens here. This is a spoolie. I had meant to get this damp before I started and I forgot. If you're going to use a beauty blender, which would have been great for this, you want to make sure that it's damp. If it's not damp, it'll just move things around and be a hot mess. Oopsie-doo. That is way too much, but we'll work with it. I may have to put some more Forest Mist Shimmer on top of it. Mother Nature needs a little more green. I'm using the Onyx to darken up the underneath the Chameleon Shimmer. Okay, so I've darkened my Mother Earth eyes. Now we are going to try to put some Chameleon Shimmer on there and see how that looks. Chameleon Shimmer turned out to be my favorite of the duochrome collection. But back in the day, I used to use Onyx every day before we got pencils. Mascara might be helpful, and I still have to do my lips. That is what shade of lip? Clean your lips. If you get gunk on your lips, it's a super dark color. So there you go. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you learned just something little to make your Halloween makeup just a little less spooky and a little more fun. So feel free to drop by here again. And of course, you can find me on all the places. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. Did I say Instagram? I don't know. But anyway, I appreciate you and I hope you learned something new, and I will see you next time. Bye.